Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic that is known as magnetism. To know the topic what is magnetism, first we need to understand the term magnet. I think all of us know about the term. What are magnets? Magnets are the object that can attract any object that is made up of either iron, cobalt or nickel. Now we are using this in any kind of motors, like in our television, in our mixer grinder, in the fan. Any kind of motor use this magnetism power. Now one thing that is given, that is discovery of magnet. It is very funny thing. The person, he was a Greek man, and it is knowledge about magnet dates back to 6th century before Christ. Okay, the person when he discovered magnet, he don't know about this. Only he can see that his boat is attracted by a stone. He has given the name of the stone as the Magnetis. Okay, that is the stone from Magnesia or lodestone. Later it has given as the name as magnetite. So what are the magnetite? Magnetite is a naturally occurring substance that has magnetic property. That means there are two types of magnet. One type is natural and another is artificial magnet. Natural magnets are known as magnetite. What are the uses of magnetite? At that moment, at that time when they discovered magnetite, at that time they mostly used this in ocean or sea when they used to go or travel in a ship, because there is nothing, only in the middle of a sea you cannot find any direction. There you have to depend on the compass, and this compass is made up with magnet, because they have discovered one important thing, that if we freely suspended a magnet or magnetite, that it points to a particular direction, that is north south direction. So from that they can understand which is the north direction and which is the south direction. And if we know the north and south, then we are able to find the east and west. So it become easier to find the path. What are the shapes of a magnet? Magnets that are naturally occurring, that is magnetite, they are weak. Actually they are weak and are usually not available in required shape that are required in particular motors or particular machine. So for that reason we need to prepare artificial or man-made magnets. Like this is known as horseshoe shape, this is ring shape, this is cylindrical shape, and this is of bar shape. Now what are the magnetic and what are the non-magnetic material? It is very simple. The material that get attracted by a magnet, that are known as magnetic material, and the material that do not attract it or that are not attracted by a magnet are called non-magnetic materials. Okay, now which things are attracted by magnet? There are only three things, that are iron, cobalt and nickel. Object that are made up of these three things are only attracted by a magnet. Okay, so for today this is. Next we are going to learn in our live class. Thank you class.